Then I got high. Then I got high. Then I got high.
Me G, you know, so me breed Jody. Well, wait, me no know. Maybe. Then tell me say it dash, you know. Yeah.
Come on, make up your mind. You breed her or you not breed her?
Don't tell me say it dash. Me no know. Then say a period. Yeah, I can see baby have period.
Jesus
I think me breed it still. Cause I can't
Me ask you something. 1 hour how much?
12. Yeah, go and ask me English question like we did at school. You just think man dunks. What you? Yeah, that right there?
So, in the earth, what you plan to do?
Plan for married her still, you know me G. I want to turn a big man because I know she love me, you know that. Oh, what you do, man? You take call it, me dog. What you do?
I give you one of the unknown box that you never believe, see me give you your life, youth.
Oh, what going on?
You a fool?
For what?
You a fool?
Man, me fuck it with Tuesday and Wednesday, my dad that tell me about period. They think me
So hold on there. You fuck it Tuesday and Wednesday. Are you breedy?
Well, she tell me I'm mother dream fish. I want a long story, you know, but mother dream fish and things, so me feel like...
Go on, sir. I don't want your foolish rubber for me. Go on, sir.
For what? My
Hear me say, you're too fool.
That me love her, man. You cannot tell me not
But
that.
me not so fool. But hear me say right now, so what you plan to do?
Tell you, me I go married her still, you know, you. You come my funeral?
Me ask you, know, the second time me ask you, and you still answer one fool answer you give me?
Man, I'm confused. Me love her, dog.
You know, so me not going to be in a little pussy all night street. I encourage you. Go get back your woman.
True, me go over there, though.
Go over there, man. Go through your window, man.
Me want back a leather, you know, because her father thief me leather, you know, G. Me want a leather, dog.
Yeah, man. Go over there, man. Encourage you, because you're good, you. So, here we do. See a leather there. Use the leather there.
Oh, so me rate, you know, me G. You're good youth, you know. Alright, me a left now, here.
Boy, you want weed.
Alright, look come on, yeah? Big up yourself.
Yo, come on. Feel clap that, man.
Remember, yeah?
Hey, I want thing with me and me done, but me remember everything.
Oh shit, I miss Maxine that? Miss Maxine! I see you. Who's that guy?
What do you mean?
I know Chef that. I know my father-in-law. I'm Miss Maxine.
What is going on, Andrew? No,
what is going on? Yes, what is going What?
Listen, no worry yourself about that.
Monsieur. Me I'll look up me out and door.
Let me see.
Miss Maxine, go cool, man. Me not sure it up, man.
Listen, this needs to stay between me and you.
Okay, you are one. But we compromise.
Alright.
I live here now. Everything good. Right. What you cook today? I don't know what to eat yet. Wait. I'm going to think about it.
Alright.
Jody there out there? Oh, she can't there, man.
Alright, whatever. Just between me and you know? Just cool now? Good.
No, say no. Me I go upstairs later, yeah?
Hey, Mom.
What's up?
What's up? Daddy here yet?
No, I think this evening's anytime now. And for reach.
What you cooking?
I'm gonna make a jerk chicken tonight.
Okay. Well, I'm going to my room. Do some homework.
Alright.
More live bands, more performance. Yo, you have my link for Spice?
Andrew,
If you can't get Cartel, get him too.
what are you doing here?
Don't you see I'm on the phone?
Hold on. No, my mom's
Yes,
here.
sir.
You gotta go.
I don't care. Sir, yeah.
Let's go. My
Get
mom.
both 50 of them iron chair. There for
My
second
mother
class.
is here. You have to go.
I don't care.
What?
Sir, give me a
Let's-
minute. Hold on.
Mom, I don't know what.
Stop it nice. Andrew, what you say you want to eat again?
Let me think about it. 1 minute. Hold on, sir, real quick. Let me get some lobster tail, curry lobster, white rice. Yeah. You have any cane juice?
No, I forgot to shop.
We'll go get it.
Alright.
Okay. Sir, hello?
Hold on, Andrew. What you and mother got going on?
You're too enough. Yeah. What you say now, sir?
Andrew.
Mama call you back. My wife a bother me. Yeah. Mama call you back. Come sit down. There's a new sheriff in town.
What?
Shh. I live here now. Me and mother good. Everything good.
I don't know what you and my mother got going on, but y'all better wrap it up before my dad gets here.
Only thing come on. Think I'm afraid of him. I'm not afraid of your father.
Okay.
Come lie up on the bed. You ready? Take off your clothes.
Hey, where y'all doing now?
What? What?
Where y'all doing at my house?
What is it now? I don't say
Maxie! Where y'all do over here? Me not tell you if you come back over here, me I go kill you.
what is it now? Me try to talk to you now. Well, man, you gotta make me choke on the bread. I look carry on.
You have 2 seconds to tell me where y'all do over here.
Me I do homework with Jody. No, Jody, I lie.
Me not tell you no, go back up to Jody room.
Me not go. Ah!
Wait it!
Miss Maxie!
Give me bread.
Miss Maxie!
Look at you.
Miss Maxie!
You're done here! You think he can save you in here? You think Maxine can save you in here? Do not come back over here, me never tell you
I
that.
never for me to my oh, stay there.
Maxine!
Right.
Maxine!
Hold on.
Maxine!
Wait now. Wait. Wanna calm down now? Lord God.
Maxine, away my dear Maxine.
Listen.
I'm gonna left your place here. I don't want to boom the back here.
Alright, easy now.
What you get?
You have to give him a chance. He is alright.
Maxine, you don't see back me up here, so nearly kill me.
Listen, because you must say, me don't know what go on before me come, but look. Am I right, you know?
Maxine, he nearly killed me now, Maxine.
Alright.
But what you mean alright? Where am I do over here?
In my Jody friend, and just, you know.
Maxine, imagine me go on my church trip for 2 days. And you bring the boy in here, he massacre with daughter Maxine.
Trevor.
That,
Relax, okay.
You go on this drip.
Alright.
Come take on my breath.
Maxine, you see you bring grasses coming at me house.
Alright, listen. Is that right?
Maxine, a lucky thing me got me church trip and me bring back God with me. You know?
Yes.
Maxine, Me no want cause no blood clot in here, Maxine.
Alright, we're gonna pray now. Come.
Take up your breath.
Alright.
Maxine, injured me hot, you know, Maxine.
Alright.
He will have me chest here, so let him pop out.
Sorry.
Put the bread over there, so me I go. Maxine, you have extra salt?
Yeah.
You have to go soak in us.
Alright.
Maxine, the boy, grab me good, you know.
This won't come.
Girl, guess what?
What?
Remember when I said I thought I was pregnant? Bitch, I was just late. So my mom...
Forgot the child?
No. Andrew tried to marry me. And then my parents found out because my dad tried to like kill him. Which was... Listen, a lot went down. Comes to find out, my period had came on. And he thought I killed the kid.
You're lying.
I swear. Anyways, my dad kicked him out because comes to find out, my period had just came on that same day. And I would think that my mom and him hate each other. Today I come home and they're best as a friend and she's asking him what he want for dinner. She doesn't even ask me what I want for dinner. I thought they hated each other, to be honest.
Girl, you gotta find out and call me back.
I will later.
Jody.
What happened?
Because your father just violate me wicked, you know. I told him no. Yo, I told him low out them last time, you know. I couldn't even get it for chicken.
What's wrong with you?
Your father get on my nerves, man. That stress me on.
Oh, he's here.
And just come.
But you're still here.
I'm not afraid I don't care, Jody. I'm coming over here to tell you something. You know.
What?
I never feel how you say that, show you, baby. I love you, see me here, Jody.
What the whole shit in that? Jesus Christ, they nasty. They nasty. How about this? What is that of a Maxine? Jody? Maxine!
Calm down, please. Just calm down.
But we try it again.
Try what again?
The penis in a vagina or something.
No, we're not ready.
You know you come like him.
What?
Shut up, you chat too much, nothing.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. So give man a real things like that, me I show you.
What? Which brief? You left brief? In my bathroom?
Maxine! How for this? Maxine, this can't fit me. This can't fit you. I don't know if it's joke. Maxine, you cheat on me.
What Andrew say? What him say?
What you talking about?
What him say?
Wait, who say?
Nothing.
Andrew brief?
Must be, have
Maxine,
to
you see me telling you no bring him come here, and you bring him come here. No, I left brief in my bathroom.
be. Yeah, we have to talk to Jody.
I put me ragging left the brief in the Maxine.
Christ, we have to talk to Jody. We have to talk to
Go
her.
talk to Jody.
Oh, God.
Jesus.
Oh, so you was prepared.
Long time I start walk with one. All church me go with it.
Why?
Golden. I put one on my watch just like this. Time is fuck, you know?
Oh, I like that. Come.
Jody! Me not tell you no come back over here. How for this?
I don't know. I don't know. Is that yours?
Where you do all this sitting in my bathroom?
Miss Maxine, check this out, save her mind for me. Please. Smell the shit stain. Turn it round.
How where you do? Give me back.
Sir, no.
Listen, me broke up you. Me tell you, me go kill you know. Maxine, you see crosses where you bring come here? Me go kill you know.
Sir. Miss Maxine, what is that? Wash it up.
Trevor, take this little boy out of here.
You know you're lying.
Listen.
Say a cheat for you, you know. I'm here come up here, you lie for me.
Trevor,
I don't mind.
I feel
Hey, your mother wicked, you know, me catch her.
take him out of my
Where your
house.
phone there?
What you mean, where your phone? Where you look
Johnny,
for
where
your
my
phone?
phone?
Where you look for your
You
phone
didn't
from?
come, you
What
didn't
the
come
phone?
in here with a phone.
I mean, so is a planting all I know try to set me up.
Take this little boy out of here.
If man, I fuck it to the dog, I
No, you go so.
I'm gonna call it.
Hurry up.
See, mix up with my phone, tell me
Yeah.
about you.
Take
After
him
you
out.
beg for him till
Listen.
you know.
God, my phone.
Yeah, tell like for my wife.
No, sir.